climb inside the 2009 Nissan Cube. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.